Welcome to the Stylish Cost Calculator and WooCommerce tutorial video. So today we're going to teach you guys how to link up your products in WooCommerce to Stylish Cost Calculator to trigger the WooCommerce when someone is using your calculator or your estimation form. So first thing you're going to do is go to add new for your plugins and add the WooCommerce plugin if you don't already have it. Simply type WooCommerce here, activate the plugin. And after activating the WooCommerce plugin, you are going to have the new WooCommerce tab as well as the products tab. So what we're going to do is we're going to open up a new Stylish Cost Calculator. And for this example, we are going to, I'm probably going to use the cleaning company because there's many different products involved in the cleaning company templates. I think it'd be better for me to show you guys how to do that. So if we were to open up this, let's go ahead and refresh it. Actually, I'm going to type in WooCommerce so I can internally know that this is the WooCommerce version. So loads with all these items here to the right. You got sliders here for people to pick how many bedrooms and bathrooms they have for their cleaning, if you're a cleaning company, and then the square footage of their house. If you're in the States, maybe square meters if you're in Europe, as well as the number of living rooms and things like that. But you also have drop-down menus and you have switch buttons on and off. So I'm going to show you guys how to do that. In WooCommerce, if you click on products, I'm going to open up the products here and I'm going to show you that I've already added the size of the kitchen, the number of the bathrooms, and the total square feet, which is basically these two sliders right here, as well as this drop-down. But in this video, I'm going to show you how to create another slider, another drop down, and one of these buttons so that you guys can see a little bit of everything. So the one that's missing right now is the number of bathrooms. So let's go ahead and copy that. We got number of bedrooms, but we don't have number of bathrooms. So you click on add new product, put in the product name. Now, if it's a slider, you don't have to have any variables. You just have to put the price of the slider. So number of bathrooms is this one right here. We're going to open it up and we're charged between 0 and 5 bathrooms. We are charging $1 per bathroom, which doesn't make a lot of sense. So let's charge maybe something like $15 per bathroom or something like that. That'd make more sense. So what we'll do is we will type in $15 here for the number of bathrooms, and then we're going to click publish. You can put under a different category if you wish. That's totally fine. Put a sale price if you want to make it look like you're discounting it. But this price here has to match this price here. Okay. Now the difference between a sliding scale and bulk pricing is that sliding scale says between 0 and 5, no matter what the number is, you're only getting charged a total value of 15. So we wouldn't want to do that. We want to do this where the pricing structure is basically saying for each and every one of these units, it's charging $15 per unit. So, and that's the same thing with this. If we trigger 5 quantities of 15, we're doing 5 times 15. Same thing here. We're doing, if we were to pick 5, it's 5 times 15. So let's save this and let's go ahead and save this. I also recommend that when you're creating a product in WooCommerce that you add a product image so it shows up nice on your invoice in WooCommerce. It just looks more professional. I forgot to link it. So now, oh, by the way, one thing that you're going to want to do is just click on this WooCommerce button here to activate WooCommerce. So now it's blue with the check mark. You're going to press save. And what that's going to do is it's going to give us the options to start. It'll give us this new tab here. So what we want to do is select number of bathrooms, which is 15. So these two prices match, which means that we did it correctly. And at the same time, the total area of square feet and the number of bedrooms, I've already done that before this video. So I'm going to choose number of bedrooms, and the number of square feet is going to be this one. Number of square feet, this one here, total area to be cleaned in square feet. Same thing here, and make them similar. We can put this one's in brackets as well, the other one's in brackets, and we can just press save. So next, let's do a slider. Let's do, for example, number of living rooms. Let's see if that product is here. No, we don't. Actually, we already did a slider, so let's do the drop-down menu next, which is the master bedroom includes. So let's say these are items that can be included in someone's master bedroom. So this has to be the parent title. So we're going to go into add product, type in master bedroom includes, and now we have to go from a simple product to a variable product because it's a drop-down menu in Stylish Cost Calculator, so there's different items for them to choose. With the slider, you only have one item. You're just choosing the amount of units of one particular item. But this one, you're either saying yes or no to a product. So the product can only be one quantity, but you have different options. So that's where you have to pick variable product. And you're going to publish this to refresh the screen because you're going to get a new option now under the attributes. And if we go back to the calculator, the master bedroom includes 4 different items. So I guess we can call the attribute, let's add an attribute and call it items, I guess you can say. I don't know what to even call this. And is used for variation, so we want to click this checkmark option. Visible on the product page, yes. Now we have to record these 4 options: shower only, tub. Actually, let me show it to you on this end. That's the size of your kitchen. Let's see here. Master bedroom includes is this one right here. So shower only. So you pop that there. You put the pipe for a separator. Tub only. And so on and so forth. Put a separator. And last one is no appliances. So I'm assuming that no appliances will be free. So we'll think of that. So now you save those attributes, you go to variations, and click on variations down here. Create variations from the attributes that we just added. Click OK. 4 variations have been added. Now you have the 4 options within the master bedroom includes. So let's say shower only. Let's say that's a no fee. Let's just do $0 on a regular price. But if, and then tub only, let's just say we're going to do 0. But if it's the shower and the tub, let's just charge extra. Let's charge $10 extra here. And then if they have no appliances, where is it here? Shower and tub is going to be the $10 extra. And then here for tub only will be 0. And then the no appliances, which is here, is going to be $0 as well. So let's go ahead and press save, and we're going to have to reflect this here. So we're going to do $0. We're charging an extra $10 if they have 2 items. If they have the tub only, $0 and $0. So you can apply that to your own business if there's certain options that charge extra and certain options that don't. But now we're not going to see these items here yet under the WooCommerce tab because we're going to have to refresh the screen because we just added those products into WooCommerce. So I do recommend that you have 2 tabs open. Can't really see on my screen, but I got 2 tabs open here. I like to have WooCommerce open and then the calculator open at the same time. Okay. Where is the master bedroom includes? This is the one that we were working on. And we're going to put, see right here beside the colon, that should be the name, the parent name of the product. So we're going to go ahead and add that. So by the time that you're using this calculator, it'll probably already be fixed. But we know that the first one was the $0 one. Second one is here. And then the separate tub and shower is the $10 extra. And then this one is the 0. Perfect. So let's go ahead and refresh that. And we have quite a bit of things already set up. So let's see how this is going to work. You have your add to cart button here. Let's say you want to remove these buttons here because they're not really applicable anymore. You can just go to calculator settings, go to the user actions, and turn off the email, the view quote, and the coupon. Because if you are going to have a coupon, you're probably going to do it in WooCommerce anyways for this example. So let's do 1,000 square feet. Let's do 2 of everything, 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, 2 living rooms. There we go. And size of the kitchen. I don't know if I even hooked that up here actually. I don't think I linked it. So size of the kitchen. Yeah, I didn't link it up. So this one is this one. This one is that one. How I know, oh, actually I need to make this $50. We're charging extra if they have a medium kitchen, and we're charging, I think, $100 extra if they have a large, and then we're charging 0. So it's always good that these prices link up. So whatever price that you have for this item here, it needs to be the same here. So make sure that those are the same. And let's go ahead and refresh the screen. So now let's do 1,000, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Let's make that 1, 2, 3. Size of your kitchen, let's do medium, get an extra charge on that. Let's get the extra charge in the separate tubs. Actually, no, let's not. Let's do shower only, so it's $0. The only thing is that I have status cost calculator in euros for example purposes, and it's probably in dollars for the WooCommerce right now, but so that's the only thing that's gonna be different, but it says 964, so let's go ahead and press add to cart. And we have 1163. Reason for that is there was an option in the calculator that was selected that we didn't have. So let's put everything down to nothing. Make it down to $0. Okay, see, it says $51. So something here is selected, and I'm not too sure what it is. The only way to trouble, there it is, the 1 square foot maybe. The only way to really troubleshoot something like this is by turning on that view detailed button. Let's go ahead and create that button again so we can see why this is charging us if we have nothing selected. $1. Okay. There we go. €1, which just makes sense for this right here. Okay, so let's go to around 1,000. Let's choose 1. Let's choose 2, I guess, of everything. And for the size of your kitchen, let's get a 0 fee on that. All right, let's go. Let's get that $50 fee, and let's take a look. So we're at 1,333, and let's add it to the cart. And 1,331. We got the 2. We chose two bathrooms. I think that's what the discrepancy is. So we're charging for the bathrooms. Seems like we're charging $15 per bathroom, and I think that our calculator is not set up to that. So we're gonna have to do some investigation. I'm kind of glad that we're hitting this error so we can find out where the issue went. So this is $1, that's $1, so that's correct. Bathrooms, see, this is $100 and this is $1. So that's the problem. So you always have to make sure that your price in WooCommerce, which is here, that's your price in WooCommerce, and this is your price in status cost calculator. It has to be the same. 1515, perfect. This one we haven't linked in WooCommerce. We haven't created the product yet. That's fine. 0, 0, 50, 50, 100, 100, perfect. So now we're good to go. So let's go ahead and do that again. And let's see, let's do medium, and let's do tub only, or shower only. Okay, so now we're getting 1,980 euros. We should get $1,980, and we have 1,680. So we still have an issue here. This is $100 per bathroom, so that's been fixed. But I think the number of bathrooms in WooCommerce is that set to 15. Shower is 0, the shower is 0, so that's good. Let's go back into WooCommerce and see if this is set up correctly. So that's 0, 0, perfect. Let's update that and go into the other products. It's a common problem that the users have, so I'm glad that we're experiencing this now so we can figure that out. So $15 per bathroom, and I'm not sure if that is what we had under the bathroom category. So you Control F, bathroom, find bathroom, nice. Yeah, we have $15 per item. So that's strange. So let's do the view detailed button and let's figure out what's going on. We got, oh, so that's what's happening is our living rooms is not in WooCommerce. Do we have living rooms here? We don't. We forgot to add the living rooms. So what we'll do is just remove the living rooms off here because we haven't added it. Now we're at 1,680, and if we add that to the cart, we have the 1,680. Perfect. I didn't think we had a bug. I mean, we haven't had a bug in WooCommerce in a while, so I knew it was something that I did wrong. So yeah, that's perfect. So now this is working out perfectly fine, and that is looking good. So let's go over some things that it can and cannot do. If we head over to stylishcostcalculator.com/support, we're going to head to the WooCommerce page. Actually, let's go to the features guide and let's type in WooCommerce here. And WooCommerce Integration. I think it's this one here. Let's click on that one, and that's going to give us the big page. So it's not able to create new products. Yeah, this is definitely something I want to talk about. You have to create the products like I showed you in the video. For every product you have in Stylish Cost Calculator, you have to create it manually in WooCommerce. It's not going to create those products for you. It can't just send them to the invoice. It's not able to send a custom price to WooCommerce. So if you're doing something fancy with Stylish Cost Calculator, like custom math or something like that, unfortunately those can't translate. All Stylish Cost Calculator can do is trigger a WooCommerce product. We can't send random data to WooCommerce for it to show up on the invoice. It just doesn't work that way. WooCommerce is built that every product needs to be in the products category, and that's obviously for a reason, because it's tracking SKU, it's tracking products, variations, tax, stock. It's doing a lot of things. So Stylish Cost Calculator can't just send custom math or some other element in Stylish Cost Calculator that cannot be made in WooCommerce. So keep that in mind. If you're not sure if WooCommerce is going to work for you before you buy the premium version of Stylish Cost Calculator, just head on to sec-demo-premium-demo.com. The password to this page is on Stylish Cost Calculator. If you click on under the templates category right here, under test drive, you're going to have those the credentials right here. So you can go ahead and just play with WooCommerce before you even buy it. So that being said, let's go back to here. The feature may not work with the live currency conversion, which is true. Basically what that means is that, how can I explain this? So for the live currency conversion, it would show up right here usually, and that's not going to be transferred to WooCommerce. So it's only going to be whatever amount that you have in Stylish Cost Calculator and whatever currency that you have selected in WooCommerce, which it should be the same. That's what's going to show up. So do keep that in mind. It's not compatible with any shipping rates or shipping plugins. Not that I know of anyways. Maybe there's a potentially, well, we haven't tried it out. So for now, we're going to say no, but go ahead and try it out anyways. Yeah, so other than that, that's pretty much that. There is dynamic pricing. That's pretty cool. So for example, if you purchase 10 units, you want to give the person like 10% off. You can actually do that with Establish Cost Calculator with the custom math element. And also there is a plugin down here that you can buy to also activate that as well. But we're not going to help you with that. It's not part of our plugin, but you can feel free to mess around with it if that's something that you're looking to do. So if you have any other questions, we do have more information as I showed you on here. If you go to support and then you click on submit a ticket, you'll see all the different support options down here. So you can do that in order to click on feature guides, I guess, go to WooCommerce and check out the other information that we have regarding WooCommerce. All right, guys, thank you very much for watching the video today, and we hope that you have a great day.